Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel and welcome back to this video. In this video we are going to look at how we can create queries in Microsoft Access database. We are going to look at two types of queries, that is the record query whereby you just extract some data in the database, and we look also at calculated queries. Alright. We're going to look at query something. It's like a question you ask the database and it gives you an answer. Okay, so it brings out specified information, okay, according to certain criteria. So we are going to look at how we can create one. Right. To begin with, let's go through and create a table. Okay, then after creating this table, we can use it to feed in the information and we ask the database some questions. Alright, let's start with, okay, maybe if I can create a table here, it's already created. Let me try to put in some registration number. Registration number, I can make it maybe a text. Okay, I go to again, I call it the surname. Okay, surname, it's also a text. Then also look for first name, and first name is also a text. First name as text. I cross over, I look for gender. Gender, on gender, I look for a text and I apply lookup wizard. Okay, go on lookup wizard and apply lookup wizard. I type what I want. Okay, I want it on a blank female. Okay, then again bring male, but in the lookup wizard. Finish that one. Go to another field which is subject. Okay, subject, I bring this as a number. If I want to see each student the number of subjects they are taking, maybe registration fees they are remaining with. Okay, come here, registration fees, I can make it maybe in currency. Alright, so we can see that here our table is already now created. I just come here and make reg number as a primary key and name my table. I save it as the student records. Okay, student records. Student records. I click OK. So now when I come here, here it is. Okay. As well, I can make a form out of it, okay, to so that I can use it to fill in the information. Right, make a form out of it so that I can use this form to fill in the records. Okay, I can call it student entry form. Student entry form. Okay, click OK. Here, instead of student records, I say entry form. Right. I also bring some buttons here. Bring a button there. You want a record operation button. Add a new, and I should only have maybe when I click on it, should bring the new empty record. Okay. I also bring another one. Okay, maybe in case I bring another button. Okay, it's also record operations, and this one should save the record. Okay, then that is it. You just have two buttons there for quick use. Okay, just maybe save them, and we see how we can use it in our data. Okay, so that's all we need as of now. Then I can go to form view. I view my form as this one. The registration number, I will start to use UO. Okay, it should be usually 1, then stroke 01. Okay, and this student name should be Katambi. Katambi. The surname should be Susan. Okay, and the gender, I go click on the lookup wizard, is a female. Okay, subject that he takes 10. Okay, school fees that is remaining, it is 3,100. Okay, then I can click on save and I say new. I also go to new one, that is U. Okay, U01, then stroke 02. Right, this is Narmanya. Okay? Narmanya, then the name is Dominic. Narmanya Dominic. Narmanya Dominic. Okay, the gender, I should give you male. Okay, the subject that he takes 9. The registration fees that is having remaining ways to that one. Okay, then I can click on save, click on new. So enter another one, which is now registration number U01 stroke 03. Okay, Babumba. You can go for Babumba. Okay, then the first name James, Babumba James. Gender is gender male. Okay, subjects that he takes 10. School fees remaining is 30,000. Okay, click on save, go in a new record. Okay, I go for another one, which is now U01 stroke 04. Okay, so name is Madrid. Madrid. Then I go for first name, which is Annette. Okay, then for gender, I can look for female. Okay, then for subject he takes 11. Okay, and then I can look for school fees, which is 30,000. I save and I click on new. I go to a new one. Still, this one is U. Okay, U01 stroke 05, and her name is Kagwa Annette. Okay, then I come and click here, Kagwa Annette. Come and click here. Is a female. First name is Annette. Sorry, his first name is Annette. Annette, and is a female. Alright. The subject that he takes 10. Okay, then school fees remaining for Kagwa Annette is 31,000. Okay, then click on save. If I come here and record and I try to refresh, I have my data here. Okay, so now I have this data. I can use it to create queries. Okay, and you can see where we go. Okay, the query that I want first to bring a query to bring out the names that start with NA. Okay, that's when I just come here and record this. Okay, so come to create query design. Okay, it brings out a student. If there are more tables, you will find them here, but now they are there. Let me see, add, and I click on close. So I want to return the reg number and the surname and first name. Okay, but now since I want to bring a student that starts with letter with NA. Okay, I'll just write here NA, then relative. Okay, relative to this surname. I can save that one as names start with any. Names start with NA. Okay, I click OK. If I come here and run my query, you find here that we have Narmanya Dominic, and indeed exactly in our table we only have name Narmanya Dominic, and it starts with NA. Okay. Again, I can bring out a query for students that have less than 30. Okay, less than 30,000, less than 300. Here exactly registration fees. Okay, so that I can return them. Let me still go to create query. Okay, again the record, add them. I want to bring the registration number, surname, the agenda, and the maybe registration fees. Then under registration fees, okay, I want to bring out to a student who is having less than 30,000. Okay, having less than 30,000. So let me see those students. Just run my query. You can see still we have Narmanya is the only person here with less than 30,000. Okay, so they are here. That is our query for less than 30,000. So I can say less than 30,000. Okay, you can even bring query that returns only females. Okay, you can come here, just go to create query design. Okay, I add here. I say I want students less than 30,000. Get it? This step I don't need it. I can remove it. Okay, so I need 1, 2, first name. Then I also brings. So I want those ones that have greater than that females. Okay, let me add gender also, such that under gender I can bring females. Okay, just want females, female. Okay, but I also need those ones that have females that have more than 30,000. So I will also come here in registration fees. I say greater than 30,000. So that I return females with only registration fees less than 30,000. Okay, then I go and run my query. You see them here. Okay, they are only females, but those ones balance more than 30,000. So basically that is a query. Okay, when we are using query design and saving the query. Okay, you can go in the comment section. You ask anything that you have not understood. You need, maybe you can also share this video with people that it can help. Okay, or you think they can get help of it. Otherwise, thank you for the support. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more of this video. Okay, thank you very much.